Today we're going to be working on a custom project for one of our customers that involves laser cutting, CNC routing, sheet metal forming, and a little bit of hand craftsmanship. So join us behind the scenes as we bring our customer's vision to life. I'm just trying to talk so we can test the audio. And this is PVC, and we're going to cut this. To accomplish this project, we're going to be using our 4x8 CNC router to cut expanded PVC into 6 identical plastic cores. When we received the order for this project, there were several different options on how the tops could be built. So we first presented a few rudimentary ideas to our customer, and ultimately they settled on the design with a lightweight PVC core and stainless steel surface. We're also going to be using our 4 kilowatt fiber laser to cut all of the 18 gauge stainless steel tops that are going to get fixed to the top of the PVC core. As with most of our projects, this is the first time making something like this. So before we get too far along, I want to make sure the technique we plan to use to bond the stainless steel to the PVC is actually going to hold. The manufacturer claims that this stuff is as good as glue, and it gets stronger with time, but we shall see. It's pretty tough. I'm going to try to actually pull it apart. Let's see if I can get it. That was pretty tough. I think we're going to be good. Let's move on to cutting the remaining parts. For the sides, we're going to be making our own stainless steel angle iron pieces cut from the same 18 gauge stainless steel. Then we're going to use our new Titan 25T CNC press brake to bend them to the perfect shape. This will not only add rigidity to the tops, but also protect all edges of the PVC core from getting dinged up over time. And it's just going to look really cool. I went ahead and cut a few test pieces to dial in our bends. We want to make sure the top edge of the angle is going to be right at or just under flush with the surface of the PVC, so it doesn't interfere with the stainless steel top. We took an extra 0.05 inches off the outer perimeter of the PVC core so that when the angle pieces are installed, it's exactly 18 by 38, which is what the customer wants. Now that we've got all the parts cut, deburred, and cleaned up, it's time to assemble. On the block. It's a bit tight. It should be perfect. Look at that. These tabletops will allow them to use the same size fixtures in the powder coating process for multiple parts in their production line. Well, that went very well. I'm impressed. Well, let's get these wrapped up and ready to ship out to the customer. Well, thanks for joining us on this project. I hope you enjoyed this look behind the scenes of how we bring your ideas to life. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the exciting content we have coming your way.